Hello, in this video, I'm going to explain the process of creating a content calendar on anything and the tools involved in this is starting from my Telegram chatbot, wherein a user sends in the type of content that needs to be added on the content calendar. And I'm going to use an AI agent to basically process those information. I will use my code notes to clean the data properly before I log them on a Google spreadsheet. Then the final outcome of the content created will be sent back to me on my Telegram chatbot. So here is an example of my content calendar. So whenever I send a chat, telling my agent about the content I want to create, it's going to generate 7 different topics that would then be logged on my Google spreadsheet. So starting with this automation, I'm going to trigger my automation, then tell my agents the kind of video or the kind of content I want to generate. So let's use this as an example. But at this point, I'm going to change this to a table. So at this point, I'm giving my agents the topic or the main keyword of the content calendar I want to create for about 1 week. So once I click on send and I come to my automation, you can see it has triggered and is now on my AI agent to process the seven um, topics. So when I click on my AI agent, we would see the system prompts responsible for creating 7 items. So once this has been created properly, it's going to clean this and map them on the spreadsheet. So if I click on the spreadsheet, we would see that the 7 topics regarding Airtable automation has been created, and I also received a message on my Telegram regarding the topics that have been posted on my Google spreadsheet. So this is the overview of the content generation workflow.